Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a quick, easy at-home blowout and from the comfort of your home, and what are my favorite styling tools to get an easy salon blowout feel from the comfort of your home. And I had a company recently reach out to me, which is t3micro.com. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try out one of their hairstyling tools, and I was so excited because they went ahead and sent out to me the T3 Airbrush Duo. Airbrush Duo, you guys, is literally everything. I've been using it for like the past 2 weeks, and oh my gosh, look at this. It's stunning, first off, and it has two interchangeable brushes. These are hot air tools, so this is like the little blower tool, and then this is a paddle brush and a round brush. And so the flat paddle brush is more to give you like to soften and straighten. This paddle brush right here, let me show you. This one is more so to give you a soft, smoother, sleek style. So if you have like curly hair or like a lot of frizz in your hair and you want to smooth it out, this one is perfect for that. And then they also have the round, they do have my hair on it because I've literally been using it almost every day. And this one is like when you do the blowout and you want to give your hair like that curl and a more voluminous look. This is what this brush is for. And then I'll show you how you put them on, and then I'll show you how I do it. This has the plug, and this is the little blow dryer tool, and it has, let's see here. So this is, you just put it in, and then you snap it, and it has a little thing here where you could press to release it. But it's really, really easy to use, and then this is, you know, how you use it. And then you can interchange it with the other one, same thing. You just snap it in, and then, so it has the power button, it has a cool, like this is like a blast of cool air button, and then it has 5 different temperature settings for my hair because I have very frizzy, burnt, curly hair. My hair is actually naturally curly, but I didn't want to wear it curly for the video because it would take us literally hours to get my hair straight because my hair is super, super curly. But my hair on the daily is usually like this. It's pretty frizzy because I did fry it a year and a half ago when I dyed it blue. I had blue hair and I bleached it so much that I had fried my hair. So I've been kind of like holding off on like crazy hair dyes to not burn my hair anymore. But with these temperature settings, you can also use a heat protectant. I use a heat protectant like oil to protect my hair. I like to use this at the highest setting because it seems to be the one that works best for my hair. And then it has 3 different speeds, 3 different fan speeds, 5 different temperature settings, and then they are having the T3 Friends and Family sale. It actually begins on July 21st until July 31st. And with my code linked in the description box, you can get these, the Airbrush Duo or any of their tools on their website for 20% off. And that will be beginning July 21st. So make sure you mark that on your calendar because you definitely don't want to miss out on this. It's a really good deal. And yeah, you can get your at-home blowout. So let me go ahead and plug this in and I will show you how I like to do my own little blowout at home. Okay, so I'm not going to, damage your eardrums with the sound of a blow dryer. So I'm going to show you quickly what it sounds like and what it looks like when I'm using it. And then I might put a little bit of music over it while I style my hair, but just so you can get an idea of how easy it is to use it. Again, I'll go ahead and link the website to t3micro.com down below. My link, you can get 20% off, so make sure you use my link. Go ahead and show you how I do my hair. So first off, when you turn it on, you see it's not super, super loud. It's just perfect. And then you could set the speed setting. I'm going to put the speed on 2. And I'm going to put the temperature setting on 5. So I'm just going to leave my hair like this while I blow it. I just like to grab pieces of it and just kind of blow like this. Also, I am not an expert hairstylist, so I just do it the way that it works for me. You do it the way it works for you, but this is just the way I do it quickly and easily. Make the line where I like to split my hair, which is usually down the middle. That will just make it easier. So let's do that.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this.
Alright, you guys, so as you can see how quick and easy that was, and this is not even like, this was just a super quick way that I wanted to show you how easy it is to get your hair this soft and smooth. Mind you, I have naturally frizzy curly hair, and you can tell like how nicely this just blew my hair out. And this was just like a quick demonstration. This is not even like the full effect. So you can definitely get a great style at home with this. I just love how nice and shiny it left it. Very, very smooth, easy to like run my fingers through it. And my hair just feels so nice. It feels like you go to the to the beauty salon and get a blowout right there. So I'm absolutely loving this tool. This is like my new favorite way to straighten my hair. Normally I use like a flat iron, but I noticed with the flat iron, like my ends burn a lot with it, and I'm always shedding hair. Like I didn't shed any hair with this. And yeah, it's just an amazing, amazing product. I recommend it to everyone, this T3 airbrush. This one is the T3 airbrush duo. And then if you like when I have my hair curly, like out of the shower, I like to use the flat brush to straighten it first, and then I'll go in with this one to kind of just give it that tuck underneath, that little curl. But my hair feels super healthy with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, definitely check them out. I'll go ahead and link them below. Again, thank you to T3 for sending this out. In the comments below what you guys think, and if you like this product, if you've tried it before. And yeah, let me know. Make sure you check them out. Again, their Friends and Family sale, the T3 Friends and Family sale, starts July 21st through July 31st. And you don't need a specific code. With my link, it'll give you 20% off all of their items on their website. So that's an awesome deal. So go ahead and check t3micro.com. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the hair. I love it. I just freshly dyed it recently because I had like a lot of gray, so my hair is like looking a little healthier than it was before. So we're getting there. I'm trying to grow my hair out again. It's growing. It's just growing kind of slowly, but I'm trying to get it back to where it was. My hair used to be like up to here. So I'm slowly but surely, my hair is growing. I'm loving it. I'm hoping for like Christmas time my hair is a lot longer. Who knows, but hopefully. But yes, I'm definitely gonna, this is something I've been using every day. And if you're looking for that fresh blowout at home, the T3 is definitely the way to go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.